Just believe you're an angel.
Of techniques to help you. What I do as a profession is activate people. I activate you based on the geometry of your body, your heart rate, and your willingness. Those three things are all I need, okay? So take notes. How do you activate your clients in a way that allows for your treatments and yourself to be of the most advantage? You drum. Keep going. Deeper. Inhale, reach the arms up. Palms touch. Exhale, sweep it down. I'm going to show you why I do this tomorrow. How you feeling? Excellent. Have a seat. My specialty is giving you clear-cut, practical tools to use from 3 to 5 to 30 minutes, but really concise things that activate your client's body. You're going to bring them through an emotional, physical experience. Do you understand that's what you do as professionals? People come to you emotionally vulnerable. The most vulnerable sense, this is fix me. Who can just say that to a complete stranger? Not many of us. So you have a huge responsibility. What this is going to do is give more care to your touch. But I want you to have the ace in the hole. I want you to have an advantage over other practitioners that are too lazy to educate themselves to serve better. Did you get that?